You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will be bringing you this crypto analysis video. Right here on BTC USDT, you see after the CPI data, we see this very reaction right now in the market. And if you look at the one-day chart, there is no much movement to the downside on this price action. Rather, the market is staying within this very level, that is within the level of $25,677 and this level of $26,500. Within this level and this very area, that is what the market is staying in right now. And tomorrow is the federal fund rate and the Fomc meeting. So that's very important meeting tomorrow is going to impact on the market, and because of that, I am expecting the market to move back to the upside. So all of these and more into this video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. On the one-day chart, I was talking about the market coming back to the downside, and that is what we are seeing right now. And I also told you that you should be looking for short opportunity instead of buying the market. That is, the market have high capability of coming back to the downside than moving to the upside. The levels that I am paying attention to is this very area of $24,000 and this very area of $25,000. So within this very level of important support, market should drop into this very area, and then we will see retracement before continuation in the markets, and that is what I am still expecting. But one thing very important here is that the market is moving sluggishly even after the CPI data, although like I said, the market is waiting for the federal fund rate tomorrow and the Fomc meeting. So if I were you, since we're not seeing any much price action on the one-day chart around this area after the federal fund rate tomorrow, then you begin to trade on the one-day chart. And not only that, if you look at it at this very area, it's support at this very point, holding the market from coming back down. They see market will drop and then immediately go back to the upside, and that very level is holding the market right now. So the MACD is still forming at the negative side with reduced momentum on this very histogram on the negative side of the MACD, which is an indication that markets have a capacity of returning even before reaching the $24,000 and $25,000. So expect the market after the Fomc meeting tomorrow to have a good reaction. After that very event tomorrow, we will see the market move to the upside. What I am expecting is the market moving to the upside. That means if you see the market react a little bit to the downside, don't panic and begin to sell the market. Market is going to react and begin to move to the upside. This is what I am expecting. That is very important for you to note this very well, because market is going to move to the upside after the Fomc meeting tomorrow. That is what I'm expecting on the one-day chart. And on the 4-hour chart, if you look at this very area, market drop after the CPI data, this very impact, and right now this very important support is holding the market. So at this very point of, we have support right here, we have support at this very area, and then markets could not break this level, because if you see a breakout right on this very area of support, that means market could potentially move back down before retracement in the market. What you should pay attention to right now is this level of support. A breakout will further send the market back to the downside, and if the market come back up and break this very level of resistance right here, we will see the market begin to move to the upside as well. So focus on these two levels on the chart right now, this very area of support and this very point of resistance, which will support at this very area. These are the two levels you should pay attention to right now on the 4-hour chart if you trade the 4-hour chart. And on ETH, the same thing we see on BTC one-day chart is also reflecting on ETH right here. Reduce momentum to the downside. I told you to focus on this very level of support, that if the market break this level of support, then that means market is going to further enter into this very level. And you will be imagining, why did I choose this very level of important support? Why can't I go move down a little bit into this very area. The reason is because the market has already moved all the way from this area into this level of support. So if we see a spike down, it will be this very support before the market will move to the upside. So what I mean is that the market, after this very area, and you see a breakout, the market will enter into this level a little bit before the market will move again to the upside. The reason is because I always consider the length of the market movement to the downside. If you look at the market move all the way from here before this very correction, then this very impulse again, and the market is going to correct if we see the market break out into this area. So after the CPI data, we have this little reaction, and tomorrow after the FOMC meeting, I am expecting this market to move back to the upside. The same thing I'm expecting on the BTC chart. I am expecting that very same thing on ETH. On the 4-hour chart ETH, you see this very important level of critical support have been holding the market for a few days now. So at this very area, we have support at this point, a little support here, and the markets are support right now. A breakdown right here, which the possibility exists, is going to move the market to the downside. And what you need to pay attention to is a significant bearish candle to the downside that close below every other close within this very area. So this very candle right here is not very significant, and it has not broken this very level of support. So what that means is you need to pay attention to this very area of important support level. A breakout is going to set the market back down, and it will be nice for you to take a short trade on this very breakout if it occurs. And on Matic, if you look at the Matic here, see Matic drop right down up to this very area of 0.51, and then a little retracement to the upside. I talk about this retracement, and I said you should not sell the market when the market was at this very level, and that market is going to come back down a little bit and then begin to retrace. So there will be no need for you to sell at this very area if market is going to retrace, and that it is very important for you to know where to take the trade from, and that trade should be at the end of retracement. If you look at this, you see market drop right down a little bit at this very area with two candles, that is two bearish candle at this very area, and then move a little bit to the upside, creating a new high at this point, and this very significant bearish candle that increase a bearish presence at this very area of important resistance. So what I am expecting is for the market to come back down a little bit into this area of important support, and at this very point of support, we are going to see the market begin to react to the upside. So expect the market to still come back down. If you want to take a buy opportunity, that confirmation should be well done on the 1-day chart. So at this very area on Matic, I am expecting this market to move down into this level of support before the next move to the upside. And tomorrow federal fund rate and the FOMC meeting is also going to impact on this. So after the FOMC meeting tomorrow, expect Matic to move to the upside. That is what I'm expecting across all pairs on crypto right now. The FOMC meeting should impact the market and cause the market to move to the upside. Although the data have not been released for the federal fund rate, but this is my expectation from previous data. So what are you expecting on the 1-day chart BTC USDT? See, the market is at this very level of important support. Do you think this market is going to further come down into this area of support right here of $24,000 and $25,000 at this very area? Or do you think this is going to have a reverse, okay, and begin to move to the upside from this area? Comment below in the comment section of this video. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. And if you want to learn how to do simple technical analysis for profitable trading, you check the description of this video, see contacts, reach out to me for training. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.